A very good afternoon to Zimbabwe and welcome to Africa and Beyond Television Network. Regaiti taure nhasi pamusoro pechitima chemukuru chaonekwa Kusango kuBindura. It's so interesting what is happening in Zimbabwe. Makuna kuna here, mashura here, or is development? We do not know, but we need to take a look onto this report. So this was brought to my attention and I made a decision to actually come and see so that we can respond. Kuti zvinhu zvacho zviri kumbofamba sei, chitima ichi chiri kunzi chaonekwa, chitima chakatakura chii, ndechani zviri kumbofamba sei. Let us see. So this is the train which you can see right here. That is the train iri kufamba mu railway track, and you can see kuti mutori nemakwenzi, mutori musango zvavo. It seems as if it has been disused for a very long time, and nobody seems to care about what happens in the nation of Zimbabwe. So as usual, people continue to ignore, but if you take a look onto this railway track, it's embarrassing to note. But let us try to find also a commentary about this whole thing so that we get understanding what really happened. So this has been dubbed ChaMnangagwa's ghost train, and let us see what is the explanation behind it. So they're actually saying it's sleeping. So this is what is happening, and we do not know what is really happening and what is the cause of this. But if we were to take a look onto an explanation which is right here, let me try to silence this sound on my background so that you can actually understand. I think okay. So this is in Zimbabwe, and according to ZimLive, they say this train, which was seen in the video, plowing through trees and overgrown grass, covering tracks, is a seasonal train which carries grain from Bindura to Harare. And the NRZ denies any danger except where line has been damaged by goat panners, and de-weeding is currently underway. So when did this season start? They knew that they were going to collect some grain from some areas which they don't normally use that route. So they were supposed to do what was supposed to be done in time, so that they prepare. Just imagine if that locomotive falls, that is a loss to the government. And you know, we already have just few locomotives in Zimbabwe which are functional. The other one was derailed near Mutare, and we lost another driver there. But as usual, I don't believe that these people care. So if you listen very carefully, these people were actually saying it was sleeping, which means yanga ichitotsvedza. And it said Team Zimbabwe. Yes, Zimbabwe. The major question is what is really happening and what is really transpiring. Government edutinosvika kupi when these things are happening. Kuchifamba zvitima zvinechifamba musango sezvizvi. The major question is, what is this government actually doing? Why are they not prioritizing service delivery? And why is it that they continue to just take money, collect revenue, collect money, and seem not to care about anything else? So it is what it is. I do not know, guys. Your comments, let us talk. Kuti, what do you really think, and what are your views? Let us have this conversation such that we get to understand zvinhu zvacho. Ndoi nyika yacho yatiri kurarama mairi ndozvakavhoterwa neabedu, and you know, nekumaruzevha I don't know kuti pavaivhundudzirwa ngokatasa kupi. they would have helped us reject this system. Unfortunately, some of them were actually convinced through intimidation to vote for the same thing. And also ZEC played us chekuseri. And those are it in Zimbabwe. It is what it is. We continue to watch and see what is happening in the nation of Zimbabwe.